What if there's a way to save your construction project time, money, and labor without compromising the integrity of your building? With the SecureRock ExoAir 430 system, your air-water barrier membrane is installed the second you hang your exterior sheathing. Tremco's ExoAir Fluid Air Barrier is pre-applied to the USG's SecureRock glass mat sheathing in a factory, ensuring a consistent mill thickness across your entire building envelope. This new delivery method also alleviates weather delays, eliminates excess material on the job site, and saves valuable time. We built an equal-sided structure to compare the SecureRock ExoAir 430 system to a more traditional application with sheathing and a self-adhered or peel-and-stick air-water barrier. The side using the SecureRock ExoAir 430 system was completed an entire day before the side with the traditional approach of sheathing and a peel-and-stick air-water barrier. With complete system compatibility and almost 50% faster application, why choose a traditional two-step installation method? The SecureRock ExoAir 430 system speeds and simplifies the construction process, is cost-effective, and delivers the predictable performance you require. For more information on the SecureRock ExoAir 430 system, visit SecureRockExoAir.com.